So I know everybody and their moms have been searching on Inspo's recipes and their ideas on how to spoil your loved one. Well, I would like to show you guys 3 of 5 simple yet delicious recipes to share with your loved ones this season.
You don't need to fall, you on your own floor. You don't need to fall, you on you.
Let's start with pink cinnamon rolls. Now, nobody can go wrong with warm, fluffy cinnamon rolls that taste amazing in the morning. But to stay on theme, we're gonna make them pink with a raspberry cream frosting on top. On to the next, we'll be doing red velvet cupcakes. Now the thing about these particular cupcakes is that many things can go wrong, so you have to be precise with every ingredient, the oven temperature, and even the process itself. For my case, the cupcakes ended up turning into this chocolate looking cupcake instead of red, and that was due to the lack of strength in my red food color dye. So do not make the same mistake I made and get the gel version of color dye instead of a liquid version. A truffle is actually the easiest dessert to make, and it tastes amazing. It feels like a cloud in your mouth. The steps are simple, it's all in the layering. The whipping cream frosting first, then the cake cubes, and lightly soak them in evaporated milk. Cover with whipping cream again, add fruits of choice, mine was grapes and strawberries, and continue the same process till the top. Once you're done, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours and enjoy. If you have reached this far to the video, thank you for doing so and happy Valentine's Day.